Hey, are you looking for the best Udemy solo ad sellers and solo ad providers to actually run traffic with, and you want to know how you could get the best results? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I've been marketing online for about 7 years now. I am a top producer and top solo ad provider in the industry, right? So, that's what I do. And I work with other solo ad vendors to help them to build their business online, and affiliate and network marketers as well who want to build and scale their business, right? So, if you're on Udemy and you are looking for top providers, here's exactly how you do it. So basically, you could come in here and you could select a niche, and then you pick from the niche, and here's your solo deals. And if you go to find sellers right here, you could actually search, and you want to look for people who got sales and who got repeated orders, and you want to see their price, right? So you could change all this stuff, and you want to make sure that the sales is at the highest place possible, and you'll find some very good quality sellers, some ones with reviews that you can actually go and get traffic from. But if you've been doing this for a while and you're not getting results with your solo ad traffic, it's very important that you get traffic from a marketer who knows how to actually build and grow a business online, and not just a solo ad vendor, because there's a difference between a solo ad vendor and a marketer who sells traffic. And that's exactly what I am. I'm a marketer who sells traffic. And if you've seen my videos and reviews online, you may have seen me before, or I may be your Facebook friend. I'm somebody that you actually want to get traffic from, because I'm somebody that actually wants to see you get results. And unlike getting from someplace like Udemy, if you get from Udemy, you just give them a link and they don't help you with conversions. They don't help you to understand what to do right and what you're doing wrong with your sales funnels. And my goal is to actually make sure you have high quality traffic to your offers that you're promoting, and make sure that your landing page and sales copy are very good and they help to promote your offer. And most importantly, I want to make sure you get quality traffic to your offers, and not just any traffic, right? You want to make sure that you get high quality traffic, people that will engage with your list. And I know I got started in selling traffic because when I first got started online 7 years ago, I really didn't have any support. I didn't have anybody to help me, and I was told that I could just go on sites like Udemy and buy traffic, and I'm going to make all these sales and everything like that, and I would make money overnight, right? Which that doesn't happen, right? So I learned a fast way that just running traffic to a funnel isn't going to make you a millionaire overnight, and it's just not going to happen. And you have to do other things in combination with your traffic in order to get results. If you're just sending traffic to a funnel to actually make commissions, that's not going to get you the kind of results that you want to get, right? You should be doing other things to build your tribe and create a residual income for yourself as well. And that's what's actually going to make you money online. And I found out the hard way when I first came online. I ended up spending $87,000 in paid traffic, and I did not know what I was doing. I did not know anything about tracking, and I just wanted somebody to help me. I wanted somebody to show me the way, show me what I had to do step by step, so I wouldn't be wasting money and spending all this time and not getting the results that I really wanted. That's why I started to sell traffic, because after I spent that $87,000, I was like, there's something that I'm missing, and I have to learn how to actually do this the right way. And that's when I became a traffic provider, so that way I could help other people. And so when you get traffic from me, you're getting traffic from a variety of different sources, which include Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you're getting a mix of different traffic that's high quality, that's going to help you to get results, right? And basically, when people first get started, they don't know how to do any of this stuff. A lot of people that come wanting to get solo ads, they think that you could just run traffic to a funnel, you're going to make all this money, and that's it, right? There's a lot more to buying traffic than just sending it to a funnel and thinking that you're going to make all these sales, right? And my goal is to help you get the highest conversions with your paid traffic. So I help people to manage your funnels. I help you get the highest conversions. My conversions are as high as 88% opt-in rate as of now. This says 85%, right? But I have an 88% opt-in rate, which is the highest in the industry so far. So anywhere people get traffic, I aim to get at least a 50% opt-in rate to all the way up to 88%, which is my highest that I've ever got people, right? So then I want you to understand how to track your leads and get conversions with your traffic. Because if you don't understand what you're doing, then you're going to end up spending a lot of money and blowing through money and not really getting support. So my goal is to actually help you understand how to track your leads and how to track your stats, and so that you get the highest quality people onto your list that engage. And that's my goal, is to help you build that list of engaged people. So that's what I help you to do. And so when you get a traffic package from me, you just select the traffic package below, and then you have the option to set up a call with me to where I can help you with your strategy in marketing to get the highest conversions possible. And then after we do the strategy call, we will launch your campaign within 3 days or less, depending on when you book the strategy call. But generally traffic starts within 72 hours or less. And then here's some of my results that I've got for people. Here's 500 clicks, 4 sales, a 70% opt-in rate, 200 clicks, 79% opt-in rate, 15 sales. Here's another one, 67% opt-in rate in sales. Here's another one, 2 sales, 1 upsell, and 2 trials off 400 clicks, 440 received, 60% opt-in rate. Here's one that has 2 sales, 50% opt-in rate, and there's plenty more right here. Here is 50% opt-in rate, 5 sales off 200 clicks. Here's one sells right here, sells right here in an 84% opt-in rate. Here's sales right here, 7 sales, 200 clicks, 4 sales, 200 clicks. Opt-in rate is a little bit lower on this one. So here's the stats right here. So people are getting results. If you scroll through, 85% opt-in rate, 4 sales, right? And it continues, right? So you just pick a traffic package down here from me, and you could pick 90 or 100% T1. 100% Tier 1 means 100% English-speaking countries. Those are always the ones that you'll get the best results with. So you could decide for yourself whether you want 90 or 100% Tier 1. Here's some of the questions that people ask, so you're going to want to check this out. And if you have any questions, you can leave it down here, or you could write me a message on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Gianta on Facebook, and I'll reach out to you, right? And my guarantee to you is 100% real clicks. And if you have any issues with your order, I'd be happy to compensate you in traffic. So if you have any issues with your order, I cannot offer refunds because it's paid traffic. But what I can do is I can compensate you for your traffic. If you're having any issues, make sure you let me know either down here or write me a message on Facebook, and I will help you out the best I can to make sure you're totally satisfied with your order, and I will help you lifelong, right? If you ever have any questions with traffic, you can always reach out, right? So, book your package today, and I will help you with your results, right? So if you want to get more information on my traffic, make sure you click on the link below this video, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, I have a free Facebook group down in the description as well. You could get in the Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and training. You could get in that and learn stuff as well. I'm happy to connect with you, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the link below this video for traffic, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.